please welcome Imagineers Brett Strong and the president of Marvel Studios and chief creative officer of Marvel, Kevin Feige.
Great to be here.
Guys, so great to see you.
Thanks, John.
Thank God for you. We just need you in this world, and you make the world a happier place. And God bless you both, because
the world needs more heroes.
Thank you. Now, I know you guys are both park guys. I'm a park guy. I grew up right down the street. I'm a local Orange County boy. How does it feel to walk in the parks and see your characters? I mean, it must be a trip.
I love it. You know, the minute we became part of Disney, that was always the dream. And there's a lot happening right now. Our teams love being a part of the Disney family, because that means we can tell stories in so many different ways that go well beyond the big screen. And as John just said, I'm a huge parks fan. And it's so great to walk through the parks and see our characters in real life. Plus, we've been able to create some storytelling that you can only hear about and experience within the parks.
That's right. You know, what we always want to do is create experiences that invite all of you to find the hero within. And I have to say, at Imagineering, it sometimes feels a little bit like the Avengers. We have this amazing, diverse team of people who are each bringing different skills to the table and coming together to make the world a better place. And, you know, you don't have to be super to be a hero.
You don't have to be. I love that,
right?
Well, all right, let's start with Hong Kong, where the new Avengers Pavilion will transform the skyline of Stark Expo in Tomorrowland. Brent, what can you tell us about that?
Well, first of all, it's more than just a new attraction. This is actually part of a massive expansion coming to the Stark Expo in Hong Kong. This expansion includes a brand new Quinjet landing platform, which will be a great place to encounter all your favorite Avengers. And it's going to be a whole new part of the expo for you to explore and discover.
That's cool. Kevin, what kind of stories can we expect?
You know, the new pavilion in Hong Kong is home to the Avengers Research Testing Labs, and it's full of really smart people working on new tech to help the Avengers. And one of those really smart people is Peter Parker. Now, whenever you have powerful new tech, that's bound to draw the interest of some evil forces too, and that's where the adventure really takes off.
That's right. This experience is unlike any story we've told before. In fact, here we have a rendering of inside of the pavilion. We are using more than 120 vertical feet of new storytelling technology to travel across realms. We're going to go to Asgard. We're going to go to Wakanda. We're going to travel by sling ring. It's going to be incredible.
That's incredible. Incredible. Let's talk about Asia, can we?
Yeah. All
right. There's another major project at Shanghai Disneyland. What do you have in store for that? They have a Spider-Man land and a coaster going on there.
That's right. In Shanghai, you were just there, right?
I was. I got to tour it in July, and it's the first land anywhere in the world dedicated exclusively to Spider-Man. And it will be the home. It'll be the home of the Shanghai division of the Worldwide Engineering Brigade, or WEB for short, which I'm sure many of you know.
That's right.
It's an organization that was set up by Tony Stark to encourage young people to experience and experiment with new technology.
That's right. And, you know, in the spirit of Web, we've actually been collaborating with local artists from across China and Shanghai, and we're going to bring to life more than 20 murals throughout the land. They're going to be celebrating science, of course, because it's Web, the Avengers, and Spider-Man. And if you stop by our booth, you can actually see a preview of one of their designs here at the expo. And if you haven't stopped by yet, make sure you come by tomorrow. Now, of course, wherever we have Web, we also have Spider-Bots. And the Spider-Bots have been helpful in assembling all of their experiments in Shanghai, including this incredible roller coaster. In fact, we recently just put up the final piece of track. It's all installed now. And, you know, as you can tell from this brand new concept art that we've never shared anywhere before, you know, nothing could possibly go wrong, right? Whenever you have Spider-Bots, things go perfectly fine.
Yes, Spider-Bots. All right, so let's wrap up right here in California. You have an expansion of Avengers Campus right here at Disney's California Adventures.
Yeah, absolutely.
How's that going?
It's going great. I'm sure you know by now the size of Avengers Campus is doubling with 2 new attractions.
Wow.
Yeah, and actually we're making great progress. In fact, the route between Avengers Campus and Cars Land will be opening very soon. Exactly. No more dead ends. No more dead ends. It's going to be wonderful.
Where's it going? Behind the What was there?
Well, if you've seen the Quinjet that's there today, we're going to be blowing the doors open on that Avengers compound and letting you step inside with 2 brand new attractions.
Oh, that's incredible. And there was a parking lot there? What was there?
Yes, yeah, it was the last parking lot remaining backstage.
We don't need any more parking lots. We need more things.
We got shuttles.
All right. Well,
Who's going to miss that parking lot? Anybody going to miss that parking lot? No.
I think it was an executive parking lot.
Yeah, probably some executives.
Right,
Somebody
Jason?
might miss it.
All right, let's talk about the new attractions, the Avengers Infinity Defense. How's that coming along?
Oh, you know, the really fun part about Avengers Infinity Defense is that we get to use every single trick in the Imagineering book, and we're inventing some new ones along the way to create this attraction. Here we actually have some behind-the-scenes footage. These are Imagineers around the world creating these massive physical sets that are going to bring these worlds to life. And these are actually going to blend seamlessly with huge media scenes, and when it all comes together, you're going to feel like you're hurtling through worlds alongside your favorite heroes.
Can you give us some insight on the stories that we'll experience there, Kevin?
I can, unless you want to.
Is that okay? All right. You know, so here you're actually going to be welcomed as recruits to Avengers Infinity Defense. I mean, who hasn't wanted to go on a mission with the Avengers, right? So your journey is going to begin with a pre-mission briefing by none other than Ms. Marvel, played by the incredible Iman Vellani. It's great. And it's here where you are going to receive your mission, right? It's up to you to assemble the Avengers and stop King Thanos.
And I'm very happy to share, for the first time, that some of our favorite on-screen heroes are reprising their roles for this attraction, including Jeremy Renner as Hawkeye, Anthony Mackie as Captain America, Chris Hemsworth as Thor, and Robert Downey Jr. as Iron Man. We've got a special clip that the team was able to capture while we were on set of Avengers Doomsday in London. Check this out.
Welcome to Avengers Campus. We built this place to recruit, inspire, and train the next generation. You're a big part of that mission.
Rolling, here we go. It's showtime, Jarvis.
There you are. Let's go.
Bring the fight to Thanos.
They are not ready for Thanos.
Thanos isn't ready for them.
Open a portal to Cap. What took you so long?
Oh, this guy.
Everybody good? Shuri, get him out. No teammate left behind.
Congratulations, everybody. If you were any closer, we all would have died, but we didn't. Well done.
And that's not all. Tonight, we can also announce that at our second attraction, Stark Flight Lab will also include some of this amazing talent, including Robert Downey Jr., Anthony Mackie, and Brie Larson reprising her role as Captain Marvel. Fantastic. Together, they will be your flight instructors as you feel what it's like to train like an Avenger. And I'm thrilled to share with all of you tonight that both of these new attractions will be opening in 2028.
Gentlemen, I have to tell you, with decency at an all-time low and discord at an all-time high, thank God we have Imagineers like you and people that are doing beautiful things in the world. So thank you both very much. Let's give it up for Brent Shaw, Kevin Feige.